Hi, I'm Chloe with CenterBeam Construction, and I'm here to explain why we charge a fee for our services. Number one, we don't build new homes, which are easy to estimate. Number two, our predominant niche is in remodels, additions, and historic renovations. And by nature, those are very tricky when it comes to estimating and trying to include everything in a detailed scope of work. So, in a nutshell, here's our process. Number one, once you inquire about our services, we make sure to talk with you personally so we make sure that we are a good fit. It's all about relationships. If we need to see your existing home, talk to you about the project, or go over some plans, then we will schedule a time that is good for you to do this at absolutely no charge. During our meeting, we might even give you a ballpark guesstimate to see if it is feasible and within your budget. Number two, should you want to move forward and desire a more in-depth estimate for your remodel or repair, then we would charge a nominal fee of $300. So why do we do this? Because we value your time and ours. Estimating a remodel is not an easy task if you're going to do it right. And we want to make sure your estimate has real numbers for your specific job. We are not your average contractor, and we do not believe in giving you fake, low-ball numbers just so you'll choose our company to work with. You and your home are unique, and we try to offer you attention to detail, meaning we spend about an hour with you taking photos, asking questions, and taking notes. Then we go back and create a custom detailed estimate of what the project will cost and why. And the beautiful thing is that it's 100% refundable should you decide to use our services. But what if it's a larger project, like an addition and a complete interior gut and remodel? Great question. And this is where a majority of our business lies. For a larger project that requires plans, you can expect to take several weeks to a month as you work with an architect and a draftsman to produce drawings that are required for permitting. Once those drawings are complete, they will be stamped and approved by an engineer and can be then ready for estimating. It's important to note that the engineering portion will highlight the foundation and framing package. For instance, will it be conventionally framed or will it require trusses? Or will it be built on piers or be on a continuous pour foundation? All of this will affect the pricing dramatically. That is why we need the complete package before we can give a detailed estimate. CenterBeam will review the plans and send over an estimating agreement for our services with a fee. The estimating fee is usually around 2% of the overall construction cost. But the beautiful part is that the estimating charge is completely reimbursed to you as a credit to your job when you choose to work with us. We only charge this to cover our time, and time is everyone's most valuable resource. We will run square footage costs for tile, drywall, paint, flooring, insulation, shingles, trim, windows, doors, have our sub lay eyes on your home and review the plans to do takeoffs and proper materials and labor to complete the job on your home. This usually takes about a few weeks to complete. So, to recap, yes, we would love to work on your project and welcome your call. Yes, our expertise is in historic renovations, additions, remodels, bathrooms, and kitchens. Yes, we offer a free initial consultation and walkthrough, and yes, if we do a job estimate and charge a nominal fee, the beautiful part about it is that the fee is 100% refundable if we end up doing work with you. Thanks again for listening. I hope this explanatory video was very helpful. We look forward to working with you.